Tesla avoids class action. Faces wave of individual lawsuits. Tesla has narrowly avoided a major class action lawsuit alleging racial discrimination at its Fremont, California factory. But the company now confronts a surge of hundreds of individual claims. A California judge ruled this week that the case, originally filed by former worker Marcus Vaughn, cannot proceed as a class action due to a lack of willing testimony from randomly selected plaintiffs. Despite this setback for the plaintiffs, the legal battle is far from over, with over 500 individual lawsuits already filed and potentially 900 more on the horizon. Class action dismissed due to lack of testimony. The lawsuit, which alleged widespread racial harassment, including slurs and nooses at workstations, was initially certified as a class action in 2024. However, Judge Peter Borkin dismissed the class certification, stating that too many randomly selected workers were unwilling to testify at trial. This decision effectively prevents the plaintiffs from pursuing the case as a single, unified legal action. Why testimony matters. The judge's ruling underscores a critical aspect of class action lawsuits: the need for representative testimony. Class actions rely on the assumption that the experiences of a smaller group of plaintiffs accurately reflect the experiences of the larger class they represent. Without sufficient, willing testimony, the court cannot reliably apply the outcome of the case to all potential claimants. Individual lawsuits expected to surge despite the setback. The plaintiffs' legal team intends to pursue hundreds of individual lawsuits against Tesla. The plaintiffs' co-lead counsel, Brian J. Schwartz, confirmed that over 500 suits have already been filed, with the possibility of exceeding 900 total claims. This shift to individual litigation reflects a pragmatic response to the judge's decision, allowing the plaintiffs to pursue their grievances on a case-by-case basis. The economic barrier to testimony. One key factor contributing to the lack of willing testimony is the economic hardship faced by many Tesla workers. According to one of the plaintiffs, lawyers, Lawrence Organ, many of those named in the class action are low-income employees who cannot afford to miss work and participate in the trial. This highlights the power imbalance between a large corporation like Tesla and its hourly workers, who may be reluctant to risk their jobs by testifying against the company. Implications for Tesla. The dismissal of the class action does not absolve Tesla from liability. The company still faces a potentially costly and time-consuming series of individual lawsuits, each requiring separate legal proceedings. The surge in claims could strain Tesla's legal resources and further damage its reputation. The ongoing litigation underscores the persistent challenges Tesla faces in addressing allegations of racial discrimination at its factories. The shift from a class action to individual lawsuits will likely prolong the legal battle and increase the overall cost for both sides. Tesla has narrowly avoided a major class action, but the company now confronts a wave of individual claims that could prove equally damaging in the long run.